Hello. Today I'm excited to introduce the new color image import feature on imag-r.com. This versatile tool is perfect for sublimation, printing, and more. Let's dive in. To start, we upload the image. Upon upload, we're prompted to choose between importing in grayscale or color. For our purpose, we'll opt for color. Once the image is selected, it displays an image-r. At the top, the image size in pixels is visible, and the current quality should suffice for basic sublimation. We have the option to crop the image, allowing us to focus on specific areas. As I'm creating a design for a cup, I'll crop it to be wider than it is tall. While the exact size isn't determined yet, resizing the image is the next step. Converting the measurements to millimeters, I'll adjust the larger dimension to match the cup's length. The height may not be accurate initially due to maintaining the aspect ratio, but that's easily rectifiable. Considering printing standards, I'll set the DPI to 300, the standard value. The slider beneath the current size permits zooming in and out for precision. The left sidebar offers numerous functions, such as Sharpen Method 2, a personal favorite that enhances most images. To maintain consistency, the Reset Position button in the top right corner recenters the image and restores the default zoom level. Addressing any imperfections like uneven artifacts, especially visible in areas like the beard, is achievable using the denoise function, resulting in smoother skin tones. Now, onto the highlight feature, color change. This tool enhances shadows, emphasizes details, and overall amplifies the image's visual appeal. The settings I'm using generally work well for most images, but adjusting the light source size allows for fine-tuning the intensity of the effect. I've opted to reduce the light source size by half for a more balanced outcome. The image now boasts enhanced depth, appearing more three-dimensional with captivating shading. Saving the edited image as a PNG ensures high quality and preserves the alterations. Oh, I almost forgot to address the earlier size discrepancy. To rectify this, simply click on Crop again, switch the measurements to millimeters or inches, and set the height to match your cup's correct height, 95 millimeters in my case. Adjust the blue selection area to encompass only the desired section. Considering the mirrored effect needed for mug printing, a single click in imag-r accomplishes this effortlessly. Lastly, save the finalized design as a PNG, and voila, it's complete. Let's create another one, using the colored import feature and selecting crop once more for our next design. To create a coaster, I'll opt for a square crop and maximize the round edges slider for a smoother finish. Initially, the chosen image is quite small, necessitating a quality boost. Navigate to imag-r.com/enhance, upload the image, and select a multiplier, like X4 in my case. After enhancing, return to the main site and upload the improved image. Notice the significant size improvement ideal for this project. Again, click on Crop, choose the square option, and set the round edges to the maximum. Adjust the selection area until satisfied. Since my coasters measure 92 millimeters in diameter, I'll slightly enlarge the image to ease centering it on the material later. Maintaining a DPI of 300, proceed to the advanced settings. Employ the familiar Sharpen Method 2, address any noise with denoise, and experiment with color change. The Smurfs might appear too dark, prompting a color correction to achieve better color harmony. Despite improvements, the effect seems excessive. Halving the X and Y size of the light source helps tone it down. Yet, it's still too dark, so I'll utilize gamma adjustment directly in imag-r, achieving a more appealing look. Remember, for coasters, as with mugs, mirroring is necessary due to the reversal in printing. Saving the edited image as a PNG format ensures preservation of these alterations. Now, on to the printing and sublimation process. I used my Epson printer and prepared for sublimation, ensuring the use of heat-resistant adhesive, sublimation ink, and sublimation paper. Place the coaster with the white side facing up on the print. Apply adhesive to all edges to secure it in the center. For the mugs, precise cutting is vital. I used a metal ruler and a knife to remove excess paper. Carefully wrap the inked paper around it, securing it in place with tape to prevent any movement during sublimation. Preheating the press to 180 degrees Celsius and placing baking paper between the material and the press minimizes mess during the process. Once everything is set, place the coaster inside, ensuring the inked paper faces the hot side of the press. Apply pressure for approximately 45 seconds to complete the sublimation process. Once the sublimation process is complete and the coaster is still warm, it's easy to flatten it out, especially considering it's often wrapped during sublimation. As you can see, the result is astonishing. Let's create another coaster and then move on to making a mug. The coaster looks absolutely beautiful, especially the Smurfs design. Now let's try the same process for a mug. Keep everything consistent, same temperature, same duration. Place the mug in the press, clamp it, and wait for the press to reach the required temperature. Once ready, start the timer, wait for 45 seconds, and you should have an awesome product. Sublimation offers an incredibly easy and cost-effective method to craft stunning pieces of art. Consider combining laser engraving with sublimation for even more remarkable projects. I'd love to witness your creations, so be sure to explore our Facebook group. Feel free to join and share your work. The link is in the description below. Wow, all the mugs turn out absolutely perfect. The intense colors and beautiful shadings are really appealing. I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Goodbye.